In this video, we are going to discuss about how to calculate maximum number of tree for the given graph. How to find the maximum number of tree. So, if any circuit was given, we need to convert that into nodes and branches. Okay, suppose if we have a current source, means you have to open circuit that one, and if I have a voltage source, means I need to short circuit this. It may be either DC or AC. For the rest of the thing, you have to short circuit that one. Okay, so this is a given circuit. Okay, so you can see you have a current source and voltage source, right?
Got it.
So on this problem, we are going to draw the number of trees. Okay, first, and then using this problem, we will verify that one. Okay. So first step is to obtain the oriented graph. So what is oriented graph means? You have to draw the direction of the current. So without for a non-oriented graph, you can't find. You can't able to solve. Okay. So once if I short and open circuit this one, the circuit look like this. Okay. So you can see there are 3 nodes, right? So first, so here you had L, right? And here you have C, and this is R, and sorry, so you have to draw like this. Okay, so this is your R, another R. So there are 3 nodes, and you can see I have that is ABC, and I have also draw the arrow mark. Okay, it has it forms a loop, right? And C is a common point. Okay, so total number of nodes are 3 ABC. Okay, and branches, the arrow mark 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So let me term it as 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are your branches. Okay, so totally 4 branches. So what is tree? Tree means it contains all the nodes. Okay, and it should not form any loops, right? Then there should be only one direction. It should not be in either way, right? Then the terminal nodes should be 2. Okay. So you can see I can A, B, C. I have drawn the 3 nodes, and without forming the loop, I have connected all the nodes, right? So this is your first tree, and the second tree can draw from A to C and B to C. So this is another tree. And third one is for A, B, C. I can draw from A to C and C to B, right? This is another direction. Okay. Then fourth one, right? ABC are my nodes. Okay, and you can draw from A to B and B to C. Okay, and another one is A to B, ABC, and I can draw it from C. It is taking time, you can see. So from this I can identify easily. Okay, from this problem I can easily find the how many number of maximum number of trees you can able to draw. So A to B and A to C. Okay, so I can now draw the direction also. Okay, and directions whatever that I have drawn in the pink line, right? So this is how the directions are. So now let us go to the problem, actual problem. Right, for that one you have to form the complete incident matrix. From the complete impedance matrix you have to find the reduced impedance matrix. What is reduced impedance matrix? Is you have to delete one row from the complete incidence matrix. So first you have to, in row wise you have to write the branches. How many branches are there? Four branches are there, right? You can see branches are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 branches. In the column wise you have to write the nodes. What are the nodes? A, B, C. Okay, so A, B, C, and for A you have to check how many branches are incoming and outgoing. So okay, for A you see the diagram, for A 3 and 4. So 3 is incoming towards A and 4 is outgoing. So for 3 you have to give -1 and for 4 you have to give 1. In similar way for B 3, 1, 2 and for 2 and 3 it is outgoing and 1 is incoming. For C and 4, 1, 2. So 4, 1, 2. 2 and 4 are incoming and 1 is outgoing. So you check the column wise, the values are 0, right? So like this you can verify the values. Next, reduce instance matrix. You have to delete one row from the complete instance matrix. So I have deleted the C row. Okay, so this is how the matrix is. So I have given AR is equal to, this is a matrix. Okay, so and this matrix is called as incidence matrix, AI. Okay, so in order to find the maximum number of tree, formula is determinant of AR into AR transpose. You have to multiply that one and you have to take the determinant. Okay, so first I am going to write AR. What is AR? And A transpose means you have to write the row in the column. Okay, and first row in the first column, and second row is the second column. Okay, so you have to multiply this one with this one. So 0 into 0 is 0 and 0 into 0 is plus. Okay, So 0 plus 0, and if you multiply -1 with -1, you will get +1. So, in similar way, you have to add 1 with 1. Okay. So, you will get answer as 1. Okay. So, next you have to multiply the first row with the A transpose second column. So, next second row of AR with first column of AR transpose. Okay. Next second row with second column of AR transpose. Okay. So the values 2, -1, -1 and 3. Okay. So for this one you have to take the determinant. Okay. So actually to find the maximum number of t, you have to take the determinant of this valid. Okay. So if I take the determinant, so you will get 6 minus 1, that is 5, right? So you can cross check with the diagram which I have already drawn, right? So in that one you can see the 5 is matching, right? Totally 5 trees are there. So here also I have verified this one. So next rank of tree or rank of graph, that is formula is n minus 1. N is nothing but number of nodes. So here totally 3 nodes are there. So you substitute 3 minus 1. So the rank of the tree or rank of the graph is nothing but 2. Okay. So 3 minus 1 is 2.